You know you gotta love the work shoes, right? Little house slippers. So you know you're working from home. All right, so I'm gonna show you this wall. Little girl, she when she was real young, she used to draw on the wall. She didn't draw on all of them. She just particularly chose one. Got some stickers, and obviously these are our heights for how old she was and how tall she was to go with it. So I'm gonna show you a cool little trick to keep your marks so you don't lose them, but as well take care of the wall without having to just repaint it. That way she can still use it for drawing and not get in trouble anymore, if you know what I mean. All right, so pretty much called CHALKBOARD by Rust-Oleum, and you just spray any surface 2 or 3 coats and makes it a chalkboard. So that's what I'm planning on doing with this wall. I'm going to take off that light socket cover and peel the stickers off, run some tape. I'm probably going to get yelled at for taking off all of her stickers, but it had to be done. So, blue tape for painting, nothing special. Just like that, you got painter's tape. Once the paint is dry, you just peel the tape off and then you got straight lines. Shake it up real good. Says you want 2 coats, if not 3. I got 2 cans, so we'll see. I was telling you, you could save the marks from when your kid was young. What you do is get you a little 90-degree angle. If you take something hard and just engrave them, you don't have to worry about seeing the pencil mark. You just have a hard mark to feel. And just like that. Just like that. Now when I'm done, I'll go on this side and I'll mark 5 years, 4.5, 4 years, and I'll mark them on the other side. So you don't get no paint on the floor. Get yourself a piece of cardboard. And as you go, move it along. One can down. All right, as you can tell, I got the fan going, helping it dry. You're supposed to wait about an hour or so and then put a second coat on. I'm probably wait till tomorrow before I peel the tape off and use it as a chalkboard and see how it looks like, see how it turned out. So keep watching. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put a second coat on the whole thing. I won't go too heavy. It looks pretty even right now, but it does call for 2 coats. So here goes the second coat. Round 2. All right, we are here at day 2. It is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the tape, and I went ahead and I'm gonna get rid of this one. It doesn't look too pretty. I went ahead and bought an all black one, and that's gonna look a lot better. So put that one on as well. All right, well here goes the tape. I picked up some chalk from Walmart, nothing special. I'm gonna write little girl a little note. Don't mind my handwriting, it's horrible. Like horrible, horrible. The Walmart pack came with an eraser, colorful chalk, and all white chalk. So she'll have fun with that. I'm sure there'll be a mess all over my floor. So basically, as you can see, there's some overspray that the tape, but I'm not too concerned because I bought a house and I'm having to fix holes all over the place right now. So I haven't even painted the inside. I'm not too concerned. But when you do yours, you just do your tape like normal and run a piece of paper higher and then tape that up here as well, and that'll take away your spray. Put down a piece of plastic on the floor, and you may have to touch up the paint. As you can tell, this right here ran behind my tape. So, you know, you're only as good as your taper. All right, and as well, I was telling you about my notches for where she was little. Can you see that notch right there and right there? As you can tell, they're there. They're faint. But what I did is I engraved them with something sharp so it puts a little indentation. And then now I'm just going to go and mark them on this side, how old she was at each mark. And just like that, 8 months, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. They're all there. So from now on, we'll keep them going. I hope you liked it. Just something fun and easy. You could do a little home improvement. Obviously, she was drawing the walls when she was real little. She doesn't do it as much anymore, but I think she'll really like the chalkboard and the idea of being able to erase it when she's done. So if you like it, you know, thumbs up. Subscribe down below, share, like it, you know how it goes. I appreciate you watching. Until next time, y'all.